We're going to install a eBay Chinese exhaust on this thing and see how it does. Here we go, let's weigh this fat bitch. £20 of that. And then the can itself. Woo! Almost 25 pounds. Compared to the whole box. The whole box of 12 pounds, 8 ounces. So it's going way less than that. Alright. Minus all the packing of 2.5 ounces. A little bit of what you could expect out of one of these. That's an XR making 160. Still got some more that I want to get out of this. got all the tuning done. 165 with E85 in the tank, 83 foot-pounds of torque. Started off with 157. There she is, all done, ready to go home. Still with the 85 in the tank. Here she is, all said and done. The original can back on it with the Chinese headers. I would say they did all right. Not restrictive for what this thing makes. This thing has a totally different airbox than what the RR has, so that's why we didn't get to see our numbers out of it.